And a level 3 storm like that will bring strong winds, of course, through the entire area, including in the South Bay, which puts a holiday tradition at risk.
It does. ABC 7 News South Bay reporter Dustin Dorsey is live in San Jose's Christmas in the Park. And Dustin, is the park going to be open this evening?
Dan and Alma, there's no pouring rain, but they are pouring the famous snowman hot chocolate because Christmas in the Park is open this evening. It's getting busier and busier as people prepare for the big day just 2 days away. But Mother Nature has sure made it tough on Father Christmas. 'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the bay, a storm was stirring that will impact our holiday.
Good news is we've been ready for it for about a week now. So we've been prepping, ready to go. So if you want to stop by the tavern, we're going to be open until 8 o'clock with some live music. Blinky's drive-thru will be open too. So if you want to bring some of our guys out in the rain, some hot chocolate or something like that, we'd be happy to have that as well.
The South Bay will likely miss much of the rain forecasted for the rest of the region, but there will be no stopping the wind. Our meteorologist suggests taking down holiday decorations to avoid any damage. But Managing Director Ted Lopez says that's not exactly easy or possible for Christmas in the park.
Customer safety is always, and staff safety is always at the forefront. Luckily, we have a great operations team that have rigorously cinched down everything to an industrial level. Yeah, we probably have some trees blow over and stuff like that, but it's stuff that we're expecting.
Along with holiday decor that might get tossed about, so too will leaves. Keeping them cleaned up is a daily operation for City of San Jose crews, like Giovanni Cesaris. How many times do you think you do this on a daily basis?
It can vary. Normally we'll get probably down between 100 to 120 done. We have about 35,000 catch basins around the city, so we just go around cleaning them, make sure that there's no debris, no trash.
So it's kind of like painting the Golden Gate Bridge. Once you're done with one side, you start on the other.
Yeah, basically.
All drains lead to the ocean, but that's not possible if leaves are clogging them up. Just look at what a few of these basins looked like without a major storm. If they're not cleared out to keep water flowing in the right direction.
The importance of this is basically to prevent floods from any incoming storms. All these leaves can possibly clog up that hole that's in there. It's very easy for an object to get stuck in that hole, so it's a good thing that we always check every year, make sure that the hole is free of any debris and it's clear.
And it's not going to be easy to do with the wind picking up here in the South Bay as things continue to start shifting into that storm. But we certainly appreciate all the work that they do to keep our roads clear and everything rolling here in the South Bay. We're live at Christmas in the Park in downtown San Jose. Dustin Dorsey, ABC 7 News.
So festive behind you there, Dustin. Thank you.